it was doing fine. And then your path.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Blessing and you are welcome to my channel. So guys, today in this video we are going to be trying out an ombre concealer arc, and if this sounds like something you're interested in, then let's get right into this video. So guys, the first thing I had to do was to wipe my face with a wiper, and then I went ahead to apply aloe gel as my primer. So the next thing I am going ahead to do guys is to apply foundation, and as you can see I am going ahead to use a damp beauty sponge to blend the foundation. Guys, you can either use a beauty sponge, a damp beauty sponge, or a foundation brush to blend your foundation, depending on what works for you, if that makes sense. So guys, this is what my face is looking like, and then the next thing we are going to do is the ombre arc, the ombre concealer arc. As you can see, I already went ahead to apply the concealer, and then I'm going ahead with a pink shade of lipstick as my blush, and then a red shade of lipstick as my blush. This is what the ombre concealer arc looks like. You can use a lighter concealer if that works for you, but I decided to use same shade of concealer for the two dots. So I'm going ahead to use a small brush to blend the concealer in place because I didn't want to use a beauty sponge at first. So I'm going ahead to spread the concealer with the small brush, with the small whatever brush. So guys, what you want to do is to blend the areas you highlighted with the concealer with the small brush. You want to blend thoroughly, and then I went ahead to use a contour brush to blend the pink and the red lipstick as my blush together. You want to take your time to blend this in place, and guys, this is what it is giving. It is giving this snatched look, which I love so much. I really love the way it is. And then I'm going ahead to use my beauty sponge to blend the concealer in place to make it look so good, if that makes sense. So this is what it is looking like already, babies. Like, I am loving the outcome. So I'm just blending my entire face. And then I'm going ahead to use my setting powder. So I'm using the black opal finishing powder to set the areas I highlighted. So guys, I am going ahead to blend my entire face with my face powder. So what you want to do is to blend your entire face so it looks seamlessly flawless, if that makes sense. And I already went ahead to draw my brows off camera, and then I'm going ahead to line my eyes with a black pencil. You guys know I love using a black pencil. This is literally beginner friendly, but it's just something I love doing. So you definitely want to try it out because it gives the seamless look, babies. So guys, I am going ahead to line my lips with the Davis brand pencil, and I'm just going for something simple and gorgeous, period. So this is the shade of lipstick I'm going for, and I love how it turned out because it's completed the entire look, which was so beautiful. So guys, I'm going ahead to apply a clear lip gloss, which is one thing I don't do without when it comes to my lipstick. And then I am going again to blend the blush. So this is it, guys. And then what you want to do is to make sure you blend your entire face seamlessly.
Systems forming. Well, I felt your energy and I don't.
So guys, this is what we are looking like. This is the look we just created with the ombre concealer arc, and I am so loving it, baby. So if guys, comment down below if you are going to definitely try out this arc, because it actually made everything easy, the blending and all. It made it so easy, and I love, in fact I love how it turned out BBs. So you definitely want to try it out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. All right guys, this is all for now. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous, stay blessed, bye.